We are now touring Jordan. This is the flag of Jordan. This is the political map of Jordan. We can clearly see in the east it borders with Israel and Egypt, while in the north it is with Syria and Lebanon. And in the west it borders with Iraq and Saudi Arabia. To the south is the Gulf of Aqaba. Today we will see the capital city of Jordan, that is Amman. We have already seen Aqaba, the only harbor city of Jordan, along with a boat cruise in Red Sea. We had already seen the thrilling Wadi Rum desert, followed by the unique Dead Sea experience and the historical Mount Nebo. I just now woke up from bed. While having bed tea, I am looking out of my hotel window. The weather is so gloomy today. Fog has made the visibility very poor. It's also raining mildly. The weather here changes dramatically. We will now have sightseeing of Amman. Guide is briefing about the tour. We are now touring the city of Amman. Notice that there are no two-wheelers on the main road for general public. Only police can do so. And this is a posh area of Amman. And this area has consulates of different countries, and rich people live here in this colony. Amman, the capital city of Jordan, is a modern city with numerous ancient ruins. We are now approaching Old Amman. Atop Jabal al-Quala's hill, the historic citadel includes the pillars of the Roman Temple of Hercules and the 8th century Umaaid palace complex, known for its grand dome. This is the Royal Palace of Jordan. We can see the wall surrounding the palace. Now in front we can see all the crowded houses on the elevated area which belongs to the refugees of Palestine. We will now see one of the most touristic spot of Amman, that is the Citadel. From here we are getting an aerial view of the old Amman. We had to buy tickets from this office to enter the Citadel. And this is the Amman Citadel. We have to walk and explore the Citadel complex. The Amman Citadel is an archaeological site at the center of downtown Amman, the capital of Jordan. The L-shaped hill is one of the 7 hills that originally made up Amman. There we can see the amphitheater. Built into a different downtown hillside, the Roman theater is a 6,000 capacity 2nd century stone amphitheater offering occasional events. There is a long history of this citadel. The citadel has a long history of occupation by many great civilizations. Evidence of inhabitants since the Neolithic period has been found, and the hill was fortified during the Bronze Age. The hill became the capital of the kingdom of Amman sometime after 1200 BC.
Amman, and if you count the heads of the stars, 7. 7 mountains surrounding all Amman.
From here, we can see the minaret of the oldest mosque of Amman. We will now see the ruins of the Hercules temple.
Church or Christian church.
Okay.
It was built 5th century AD.
Okay, 5th century.
Yeah, destroyed by earthquakes 8th century AD.
Okay.
And over there, that building, it is the Islamic complex.
Islamic complex.
8th century AD.
Okay. It later came under the sway of empires such as Neo-Assyrian Empire, Neo-Babylonian Empire, the Ptolemies, the Seleucids, Romans, Byzantines, and the Umayyads. This is the Islamic component of the citadel. It is Umaaid Palace of Amman. And this is the inside view. After the Umayyads came a period of decline, and for much of the time until 1878, as the former city became an abandoned pile of ruins only sporadically used by Bedouins and seasonal farmers. Guide is telling us the history in short. Most of the structures still visible at the site are from the Roman, Byzantine and Umayyad periods. The major remains at the site are the Temple of Hercules, a Byzantine church and the Umayyad Palace. All these are Roman ruins. I am filming now from the Amman Citadel. We are getting a clear view of the old city of Amman. During this Umayyad period, a palace structure was built at the citadel. The Umayyad palace were probably used as an administrative building of the residence of an Umayyad official. And this is the map of the historic colonnaded street of Umayyad Palace. The palace draws on Byzantine architectural patterns. For example, the entrance hall is built in the shape of a Greek cross. We can see some of the 7 hills which surrounds the Amman city. Next, we'll enter and visit the Jordan Archaeological Museum. We are now inside the museum. The Jordan Archaeological Museum was built on the hill in 1951. The exhibits in the museum are from different ages as shown on the board. We were very much excited to see some of the rare exhibits in the museum. Now, after seeing the museum, we'll proceed to Jerash, which is 52 kilometers away from here. In my next video, do see the Jerash city full of Roman ruins, and after that we'll move to Israel and Palestine. After seeing my videos, please do like, share and comment, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel.